Hello and welcome to this topic on databases, part of IGCSE Computer Science. We will look at what a database is, how data is organized, how to validate it, and what primary keys are. This topic has two parts. Part 1 covers single table databases, fields, records, validation and data types. Part 2 covers primary keys and key terminology. Part 1. Single table databases. We will look at what a database is, its advantages, how fields and records work, validation checks, and data types. A database is an organized collection of data stored in tables. It makes it easy to store, search, and manage large amounts of information. It is more secure than a text file and can be accessed by multiple users at the same time. A field is one piece of information shown as a column. A record is all the fields about one person or thing shown as a row. Remember, field equals column, record equals row. Text files store small amounts of data. Each entry is on a new line or separated by a comma. Unlike databases, it can be hard to tell where one record ends and another begins. Validation rules are assigned to fields when a table is created. They control what data can be entered. If data does not pass the check, it is rejected. There are 6 types to know. Here are all 6 validation checks: length, format, range, presence, type, and check digits. Make sure you can name and describe each one with an example. Let us look at each check in detail. A length check verifies the number of characters. A format check verifies a specific pattern. A range check ensures a number is between a min and max. A presence check stops a field being left blank. A type check ensures correct data type. Check digits verify long number accuracy. Here is a worked example. This student grades table has 5 fields. You are asked to describe 2 validation checks that could be applied. Think about which checks fit each field. Examiner tip: you will often be shown a table and asked how many fields or records it has. A field is a column. A record is a row. Count carefully, these are easy marks. Every field has a data type set when the table is designed. The 6 main types are integer, real, text, character, date and time, and boolean. Here is the cars table. Car ID is integer because it is a whole number. Make, model and color are text. Price is real because it has a decimal point. That is the end of part 1. We covered databases, fields and records, text files, validation, and data types. Next is part 2 on primary keys. Part 2. Primary keys. A primary key is a special field that uniquely identifies every single record in a table. We will also look at the key database terms you need for the exam. A primary key uniquely identifies every record in a table. No 2 records share the same value. It is usually an ID number like customer ID, student ID, or product ID. Here are the 5 key database terms: table, record, field, data type, and primary key. Make sure you know each definition. Here is the second worked example. A dance club has a members table. Which field is the best primary key? Remember, the primary key must be unique for every record. Final examiner tip: when choosing a primary key, always pick the field guaranteed to be unique. An ID number is almost always the best answer. Never pick a name or date. Let us recap the whole topic. A database is an organized collection of data. Fields are columns, records are rows. Validation rules keep data accurate. Data types define what kind of data goes in a field. A primary key uniquely identifies each record. Well done.